up, crewmates slash imposters? I just want to get this off my chest right quick. So look, we can talk. Okay, these messages was pretty old. They did have an online server. I just want to do a clarification that this video is only for entertainment purposes only. I promise you, I am not trying to commit a crime. Please don't sue me to the public. Don't do it. No. Okay. Listen, I just wanted to pretend to be a character. A specific character. Just to see how everybody would react. And for no apparent reason at all, I just chose Blizzard. So, whatever you do not sue me into the public. I know this is a crime, but please don't sue me. Please. But yeah, I'll try to stop, alright? Well, that's what I just wanted to say, guys, so enjoy the video.
You stop. No.